What are the ancient origins of Irish music tunes? Imagine a time long before modern recordings, when music was shared through stories and melodies passed from person to person. Irish music tunes have roots that stretch back over 2,000 years, making them some of the oldest living musical traditions in Europe. When Celtic tribes arrived in Ireland around 500 BC, they brought their own musical styles. These sounds blended with local traditions, creating something uniquely Irish. Because the music was passed down by ear, not written down, it stayed true to its roots and evolved naturally over generations. This oral tradition is still alive today, especially in traditional Irish music sessions, where musicians learn tunes by listening and playing together. One of the earliest instruments linked to Irish music is the harp. Harpers were highly respected in ancient Irish society and often played for chieftains and at important gatherings. The melodies played on the harp were symbols of status and culture, and they remained part of Gaelic aristocratic life until the 1700s. Even after the Gaelic order declined, harp tunes survived and became part of the wider folk tradition. Other early instruments include the tin whistle, fiddle, and various pipes and drums. These instruments helped shape the lively sounds of Irish music, with jigs, reels, and slow airs becoming central to the tradition. If you travel through Ireland today, you will often hear these ancient tunes played in pubs, at festivals, and during informal music sessions. While some melodies may have changed slightly over the centuries, their spirit remains the same. Many tunes played now have been handed down 4 generations, creating a direct link to Ireland's distant past. To sum up, the ancient origins of Irish music tunes come from the Celtic settlers who arrived in Ireland, the oral tradition of passing music from person to person, and the important role of instruments like the harp and fiddle in Irish society. These elements continue to influence the music you will hear and enjoy while traveling across Ireland.